They said I disrespected the lobster. They said I committed seafood sins.
Thank you very much. Oh well. Can I have more lobster or not?
You can have more lobster once you have completed these, sir. You're not supposed to be back here, please.
The internet dragged me like I threw away their grandma's rent money. But today, I make things right. No more buffet brawl, no more lobster controversy. Today, I earn my lobster. We're catching them fresh, eating them right away, and proving once and for all that I am the true Lobster King.
What's up? You know we outside, we about to go lobstering. What's up, Captain? How you doing, brother? Thank you for having me. All right, we're about to have a wealthy excursion. I'm excited.
Wow, this is amazing. We're here at Spiraholics, you know, we're having the best excursion, the most luxurious lobstering expedition in Miami. What's the plan? I need to know the rundown. Tell the people.
It's breeding season.
Woo!
This time of year, they're starting to make this march, and we're gonna try to catch them on the way out. Gonna hop sailboat, shipwrecks. Look where you're putting your hands and try not to touch your body against the shipwreck. There are sharp things. There's fire coral, algae, stuff that'll make you itch, lionfish, things like that. Try to use your gloves to touch the shipwreck.
Oh, this is getting serious, guys.
Not to try to grab it with your hands.
Right.
I always recommend using the snare. The lobsters have spikes all over them.
Yeah, we're not raw dogging lobsters. Yeah, we're using the snare. So it's like a fishing rod for lobsters.
Yeah, so this just goes around their tail.
Okay.
That way you don't have to risk, you know, grabbing them by a part that they can drop. They can drop any part of their body besides their head and tail.
Oh, so they could just break it off and
They
be
can
like,
just-
I'm out of
yeah.
here. And they regrow it back,
They
right?
grow it back. Yeah, it takes about a year.
Stop playing with them. Oh, it's me versus the lobster.
You're gonna go right behind his tail and then close the loop.
Oh, I have to do work, bro. This is not luxury. So let me just practice real quick. Let me get my right. All right, so there's a lobster. Bam! Got him right by the tail.
They got me out here looking ridiculous with these big fins and goofy goggles.
So the reason why we don't use the plastic clips is that if an emergency ever happened and you're inside of a shipwreck, you can just pull this out and then you can back out.
All right, so how far down are we gonna go?
This is 10 feet.
How far does my GoPro go? Thanks to my professional, well-seasoned experience and prepared videographers, we do not have a GoPro. We gotta take 25 minutes out of our shoot to go get that. So thanks, Ronnie and Luis. Appreciate y'all. You know, we had to pull up directly on the dock. Mr. On the water, stop playing with me. All right, so who's gonna go get it? Luis? All right, can you pick up a bottle of tequila too? Excuse me. What's the most expensive liquor you have in the store? Would it be like the Louis XIII or you have something more than that? Oh, what? Which one? Cabinet aisle 3, let's go, guys. They have the most expensive liquor. Let's see what we're about to be sipping on. I don't know, should I do the Macallan 30 or Macallan 25? It's only like 6,000. That's not bad. That's really not bad. That's a good deal, actually. Who does Macallan anymore? Let's do the Dalmore. I'll take the Dalmore, please. You know, just 5,200 a bottle. Hey, we got it, GoPro. Let's go.
No glove, no love. You know we gotta stay strapped.
Breathe the whole time between dives.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. Wealth. I got you. Payback. Payback for the cause of that drama in my life. Now look who's laughing. Got his. Oh! Oh, the lobster's getting revenge. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to waste you. I'm sorry. I appreciate you. Now, is this male or female?
If you look here.
Oh, nasty. You nasty, chef. You knew that was going to happen.
That's a female because they have these little claws to hold the eggs.
The coochie claws.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, what's the 900? All right, that's fine. Hey, you missed the lobster.
Hey, y'all see that? That's the Viagra mansion.
Flat the next 3 houses over.
That horny
That's like a what, 250 million?
something around there. What's up? You want some lobster? I got you, bro. I got you some lobster. We're gonna give Ronnie an extra $100 bonus for this. Luis over there? Stop playing with Luis. Listen, my camera guy's gonna get the job done regardless. Oh, Ronnie, you just jumped in. Stop playing with Ronnie.
All right, let me get you. What you need? You need some champagne, Ronnie? I got you, brother. Only the best, Moet. You be directing and here go your clipboard, your notes, and all that. Don't drop. Hey, it's giving Baywatch. My private island. Now, Florida is home to one of the most prized lobsters in the world, the spiny lobster. Unlike those clawed up boys from New England, these guys got no front claws. Don't let that fool you. They make up for it with pure flavor.
This is how you do it if you want to do it on the grill. Split them in half, put some Kerrygold Irish butter, herb butter on it, Parmesan cheese on the grill, 7 minutes, medium-high heat, and you got lobster dinner. Now what we're doing, ceviche, we don't need the head. So we're just gonna pull that off, toss that in the water. We're gonna go ahead and split that other one. Now these guys are new molts, that's why the meat is so light. If these guys were about to molt, their meat would be orange or red. Anything now is just nerve endings.
Yeah.
That's part. Oh, she's good.
So basically I'm just separating the shell from the meat. You just pinch, finger in, slip it down. Personally, for the ceviche, I prefer the new molts. You're gonna cook them, new molts have less meat. Much more tender, less of that strong lobster flavor. It's different than Maine lobster. Maine lobster is very slimy. It only takes about 15 minutes for the lime juice to cook it. Now we do this before we put the lime, so that way the seasoning binds to the flesh. And then you're gonna see it's gonna go from this slippery, soft consistency, and it's only gonna get more and more cooked.
Oh, it's got the right form. Everybody's a 2 years.
How it's very
I
light,
see that.
doesn't stick
All
together
of a sudden,
anymore.
how did it turn white all of a sudden, though?
The lime juice cooked it.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, now what are we doing next?
Now we're gonna hit it with all these different delicious vegetables. Now that we don't need the lime juice to cook it too fast.
Now you see the finesse. Listen, this is love right here. This is love. He likes what he
Just
does.
tossing it.
Now tell me about the sauce. What's up in here?
This is our secret sauce. I can't tell you what's in it.
Come on, bro.
A lot of our
Listen, I
clients
got money.
have
I'll
asked
pay for it.
Oh, no.
Damn!
This needs to be in a bottle.
I'll give you 100,000 right now.
For real?
Yeah. Oh, that's what you put in? Oh, a little bit of that.
Grab it by the bottom.
Oh,
Let most of the fluid come out.
okay.
And then onto the mouth.
Oh my God. Stop playing with him. Hey, Joe Stone Crab. Y'all don't do this. All right, black pepper.
What we're really trying to do is season the avocados.
Stop playing with them. That's not, hey, is that cheap salt? Just
First
stop
cold
playing
press.
with them. First cold press. Do it as Spiritualics in Miami.
Load it up with the seafood. It adds a great flavor to it.
This is how the rich people do it. Oh my goodness, hold on. Oh my God. The flavor still hit me, y'all. First of all, unless it's lobster ceviche, I'm not doing it. And unless you catch a lobster in front of me and chop that up with some lime juices, I'm not tasting it. And unless it comes from Spiritualics, I don't trust it. I'm gonna get a lobster ceviche, a 9.79. Stop playing with them. Hey, Food Network, whoever is the president, send me a check. Y'all know I be out here getting all the views besides Keith Lee, who's boring. All he does is stay in his car and like review. I take y'all on the whole experience. Food Network, give my own show. I need $1 million an episode. Catching lobster ain't for the weak. This ain't Uber Eats and scrolling tap to cart. This is work. Oh, Mr. Lewis, now you respect lobster. Yeah, I do. Because today, I'm officially earning my lobster privileges. It's Moet. The T is pronounced. Oof. Your grandfather's funeral fees. Well,